I am currently floating down the Monocacy River in Frederick, Maryland, and I am joined by little Nandi, the Border Collie mix. Nandi, hi baby, having fun? So Nandi's able to join me and will be able to join her future families and ventures because of her training. Training does not limit your dog. Training increases your dog's chances to do fun things and really broadens their world. So Nandi couldn't come with me if she's going to be pacing or jumping or whining or jumping in the water without permission. But this downstay she has allows her to join me on really fun things like this. Oh, Nandi, down. Good girl. No question, she's always gonna down. I don't care if we're downtown at a restaurant, if we're in her living room, or if we're literally on a river. She'll down. Good girl. Awesome job, Nandi. Runners. Nandi, come. Good girl. Here, baby. Slice. Down. Very nice. Good job. Good girl, Nandi. Wow, good job. Nandi, down. Good girl. Very nice.
Sorry, yak. Wait.
No.
Oh well. Wait. Guess I'll be popping a squat the river. Sit. Down.
Bye, Nandi.
Just wait.
Hey, Taco.
I feel like this float gets shorter and shorter.
Nandi, break. Good girl.
At M squared.
Yeah.
We need to email her.
Good girl.